Hey guys, this is Richie with PhotoboothDR.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to install the media for the DNP RX1 printer. So first things first, you're going to plug it into power. You should receive the power cord with the printer. We'll just plug in right back here. And then you'll flip the switch to on. Okay. Now you're going to open this little black latch. There's a little black lever right up here on top of the printer. I'll lower that down. And then there'll be these two little black things. These are like a paper holder. It's mainly just for the paper. I'm going to plug it in like so. And you have to make sure this little paper slab, I guess you could say, is facing downwards, not the other way around. And then you're going to slide it right in. And now if you can come a little closer, there'll be a little paper that says paper insert. This just goes right in. Then you'll see the paper right here with a little down arrow. This has to keep going down and down until the printer beeps. And once the printer beeps, you stop right there. Now next you're going to grab your ribbon, which is like the die for this printer. So you have to make sure that this little, I guess the skinny part will be on top. There'll be these little latches that it goes into. So yellow to yellow, and then the bottom one is just the bottom one. Okay, you're gonna just connect that in, just down. And you wanna just kind of roll this up on the top, just so it's not too much slack. And this just inserts right here, like so. All right, once you got that, you close it all up. Right now, this is the realigning process. It's going to cut a few paper slots just to realign the printer. And there you go. We have now just loaded the media into the RX1 printer. Have a good day.